Welcome back to our next video. What if I say to you can directly call the select star from table query on DuckDB? Yes, it's a same ANSI standard SQL query, which we might have learned in our experience with another databases. Let's get started, and we will try explain everything in the simplest way possible. The moment we have all been waiting for. Our first query on DuckDB, which is to get the data from a table. Okay, let's say you want to get two different columns out of the table. Then we can write as select product name, comma price from the product. Let's execute this query. You can see the output is available and we have both the columns in the result set. Next, the ultimate query is to select a star from product. This retrieves all columns and all rows from the table. It's like opening the entire book instead of just a single page. Want product IDs? You got them. Names, prices, every single detail. It's all right there. This is super useful when exploring a database for the first time. Just be careful when dealing with massive tables. This query can return a lot of data. Notice the star in the query. This star is only responsible for showing all the columns down below. I hope we are clear on the select queries on DuckDB. Next, questions are rising in my mind. How can I use functions? And what purpose does this function solve with select columns? Let's understand these functions. First, we will talk about the upper function which converts text to uppercase. This is useful for making data consistent. Next, we have a lower function that will convert text to lowercase. And this is perfect for case-insensitive comparisons. These functions are commonly used in search engines, reports, and standardizing user input. We can start working with the upper function. Let's do a practical for this. By selecting the product name column simply, then we can use the upper function as the product name from product. This should give us the product name as in capital case with upper function. Let's execute this query once. You can see we have one column in the result set, and we can see our column in the capital letters. Simple, right? Next, we have our lower function. The lower function converts all letters in product name to lowercase. This is helpful for case-insensitive searches, making sure both the capital or lowercase words are treated the same. Many applications convert user inputs to lowercase before storing them to maintain consistency. Let's do a practical for this. Now we can change the upper function to the lower function in the query. Let's execute this query once. You can see we have a lower column in the result set. And we can see our column in the lower letters. Simple, right? Till now, you should get an idea of how we can use DuckDB with our previous knowledge. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.